Hey everyone, welcome back to Change for Better with Dr. Bezowit. You know me, I'm all about keeping your skin healthy and glowing. And there's no better way to do that than with sunscreen. Think of sunscreen as a shield for your skin, like that extra layer of protection you need against the sun's harmful rays. We're talking about those sneaky UVA and UVB rays that can cause everything from premature aging to sunspots and even skin cancer. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about sunscreen, from the different types to how to choose the right one for you. So, slap on your thinking caps and let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Why is sunscreen so important? Well, imagine your skin as a beautiful piece of silk. Just like you wouldn't want to expose that delicate silk to harsh sunlight, you don't want to expose your skin to the sun's damaging rays without protection. Those rays are sneaky little things, and over time they can cause some serious damage. We're talking wrinkles, sunspots, and even skin cancer. Sunscreen acts as a barrier, absorbing or reflecting those harmful UV rays before they can penetrate your skin and wreak havoc. By wearing sunscreen every day, you're making a commitment to protecting your skin and keeping it healthy and youthful looking for years to come. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about the different types of sunscreen, starting with chemical sunscreens. These sunscreens are formulated with special ingredients that act like tiny little sponges on your skin. When those harmful UV rays hit your skin, these ingredients absorb the rays and convert them into heat. Chemical sunscreens are typically lightweight and easy to rub in, making them perfect for everyday use. Chapter 3. My go-to sunscreen, La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melton Milk Sunscreen SPF 100. This sunscreen is a game-changer. The La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melton Milk Sunscreen with SPF 100 is my absolute go-to, and let me tell you why. First of all, it has an SPF of 100. That means it blocks 99% of the sun's UVB rays, which are the ones responsible for those painful sunburns. It has a milky texture that literally melts into your skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and protected, never greasy or sticky. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Chapter 4. Sunscreen Savvy Low Altitude Protection. If you're at a low altitude, like sea level up to about 2,000 feet, you're exposed to less intense UV radiation. For everyday activities at low altitudes, an SPF of 30 to 50 is usually sufficient. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen, which means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. And remember, choose a sunscreen that's right for your skin type, whether you have oily, dry, or sensitive skin. Chapter 5. High Altitude Alert, Sunscreen and Beyond. Now, if you're heading up to higher altitudes, like those majestic mountains over 8,000 feet, listen up. The air is thinner at higher elevations, which means those UV rays are even more intense. At high altitudes, it's essential to be extra diligent about sun protection. That means not only wearing a high SPF sunscreen, but also reapplying it every 2 hours, especially after sweating or swimming. Don't forget to wear protective clothing like long sleeves, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV-blocking sunglasses. Outrow stays sun-safe and radiant. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to sunscreen. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun is one of the best things you can do for your health and appearance. By choosing the right sunscreen and being sun-smart, you can enjoy all your outdoor adventures while keeping your skin healthy and radiant. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Change for Better with Dr. Bezowit, for more tips on keeping your skin healthy and radiant. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay safe and sun protected. Until next time.